Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Home Run Derby with friends. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Play Now option. From there, choose Home Run Derby to begin the setup process. This mode allows up to 8 players to compete, making it perfect for group. You'll be able to customize various settings to ensure a fair and exciting match for everyone involved. It's a fantastic way to challenge your buddies and see who has the best swing. To set up your game, select Custom Game after choosing Home Run Derby. Here, you can pick from over 30 different stadiums, each offering a unique atmosphere. You can also decide on the time of day, from bright afternoon sun to dramatic night lights. Most importantly, you'll set the number of outs per round, usually 10, which determines how many swings each player gets. This flexibility ensures every game feels fresh and exciting for all participants. Once your game settings are finalized, it's time to invite your friends. You'll see an option to send invites to anyone on your online friends list. Make sure everyone accepts the invitation promptly to join the lobby. Each player will then select their preferred batter from a roster of hundreds, each with unique power attributes. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience, ensuring every swing counts in your friendly competition. To maximize your home run count, focus on perfect timing with your swing. Hitting the ball at its apex with a power swing will send it soaring over the fence. Aim for the sweet spot, which is typically the center of the ball, for optimal distance and trajectory. Don't be afraid to experiment with different batters. Some players have higher power ratings or unique swing animations that might suit your style better. Remember, it's all about having fun and hitting those dingers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.